Benefits of ducks. Ducks are very useful birds for humans and the environment. They have been raised by people for food and farming for many years. One of the biggest benefits of ducks is that they provide healthy meat and nutritious eggs. Duck meat is rich in protein, iron, and important vitamins that help keep the body strong. Duck eggs are larger than chicken eggs and contain more nutrients, which are good for growing children and hardworking adults. Another important benefit of ducks is their role in farming. Ducks eat insects, worms, snails, and pests that damage crops. Because of this, farmers use ducks in rice fields to control pests naturally. This reduces the need for chemical pesticides and keeps crops healthy. Ducks also eat weeds, helping farmers keep their fields clean. Duck farming is easy and low cost compared to other animals. Ducks grow fast, need less space, and can live in different weather conditions. They can survive on simple food like kitchen waste, grains, and insects. This makes duck farming a good source of income for poor and rural families. Many people earn money by selling duck meat and eggs in local markets. Ducks are also good for the environment. They help keep ponds and water bodies clean by eating small insects, algae, and plants. Their droppings act as natural fertilizer, improving soil quality and helping plants grow better. Ducks can live both on land and in water, which makes them very adaptable animals. In conclusion, ducks are very beneficial birds. They provide food, help farmers, protect crops, support the environment, and help people earn a living. Because of these benefits, ducks play an important role in agriculture and daily life.